Welcome to my math class. I am Mohammad Ali, maths teacher. Today we try to solve one question from this paper, and this question is from Mensuration chapter. Here given 5a, volume of a cone equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. We know this formula. And curved surface area of a cone is pi rl. A solid is formed from a large cone. This is the large cone uh, with a small cone removed from the center. The small cone is removed from the large cone and this solid is formed. The small cone is mathematically similar to the large cone. One thing we know, if two objects are similar, mathematically similar, their corresponding side ratio will be same. The vertex of the large cone, this is the vertex of the large cone, is vertically below the vertex of the small cone. The height of the large cone, this is the height of the large cone, is 21 centimeter, and the diameter of the top, that means diameter of the large cone, is 18 centimeter, and the height of the smaller cone is 14 centimeter. Height of the smaller cone is 14 centimeter. This is 14 centimeter. So we don't have the diameter of the smaller cone. So by using the similarity formula, we can able to find out the smaller cone diameter. Show the volume of the solid is 399 pi centimeter cube. So how we'll find it? From bigger cone, we have to bigger cone volume, we have to subtract the smaller cone volume, then we get this result. Okay. Uh, Now, as both of these objects are similar, by using similarity formula, this is the height of vertical height of larger cone and the smaller cone height 14. So larger cone diameter is 18, smaller cone diameter is d1, we don't know. Here d1 given 18, so r equals to 9. After calculation, d1 equals to 18 multiply 14 divided by 21, we will get 12 centimeter. So diameter of the smaller cone is 12 centimeter. So radius of the smaller cone is r is 6 centimeter. Here we write d equals to smaller d equals to 12 centimeter. The smaller r equals to 6 centimeter. Now we will find the volume of larger cone. Volume of larger cone, formula equals to 1 by 3 pi capital R, R square, and capital H. Here we may write the height of the larger cone is 21 centimeter and height of the smaller cone is 14 centimeter. So now we put all this value, 1 by 3 pi r equals to bigger r equals to 9 square, 9, h equals to 21. After calculation, we will get 567 pi centimeter cube. This is the volume of the larger cone. Now, volume of the smaller cone. It's also 1 by 3 pi small r square h. So 1 by 3 pi r equals to here 6. So 6 square, h equals to 14. After calculation, we'll get 168 pi. So how the volume of the solid form? From volume of the larger, when you subtract the volume of the smaller, the solid is formed. Now volume of solid equals to 567 pi minus 168 pi centimeter cube. After After subtraction, we get 399 pi centimeter cube. So our first answer is completed. Show that the volume of the solid is 399 pi centimeter cube. This is shown. Now the second part, calculate the total surface area of the solid. Calculate the total surface area of the solid. So one thing you have to remember, when solid form, that means this small cone removed. Here also this slant had come. Here also this slant had come. That means the inside there is a curved surface area of small cone we have, and the curved surface area of the bigger cone we have. And from the bigger circle area, we have to subtract the smaller circle area. Somebody make mistake, they don't give these things. Because if you remove this part, here also this part come. So curved surface area or smaller cone also you have to include here. Okay. Now calculate the this is the bigger cone, like this is the smaller cone. Okay. So if we remove here, we have to write also the curved surface area of the smaller cone. Okay. So total surface area formula we write total surface area equals to pi bigger cone curved surface area pi RL, smaller cone curved surface area, because it's also included. This boundary, this curved surface area of the outside, but it is also inside. After remove this part, you have this part. That's why you have to write the curved surface area of the small cone. Though it is removed, here small curved surface shape come. So pi small r L from the bigger circle area pi r square, you have to subtract because this part is a whole, pi small r square. Now we don't have the bigger cone slant height, we don't have the smaller cone slant height. So for big cone, for big cone, like the right angle, the big cone radius equals to 9 and vertical height is 21. We have to find out the slant height. And small cone, if we draw, radius equals to 6 centimeter and vertical height is 14 centimeter. It is slant height. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we can able to find L square equals to 21 square plus 9 square. So L equals to root over 21 square plus 9 square equals to 3 root over 58. Here also L square equals to 14 square plus 6 square. So L equals to root over 14 square plus 6 square equals to 2 root over 58. Now we put all this value in the formula. So total surface area equals to pi bigger one R capital R N 9 into 3 into root over 58 plus pi into 6 into 2 root over 58 big circle pi into 9 square minus small circle pi into 6 square. So taking common pi, we'll get 27 root over 58 plus 12 root over 58 plus 9 square minus 6 square. So pi into 342.015. So it will be 1074.47, or we can write 1075 centimeters square. So it is 1075 centimeters square. So total surface area is 1075 centimeters square. Somebody make mistake. The thing that if a smaller cone remove, why the curved surface area of the small cone needed? Because if you remove this, like this is the bigger one, if I remove this here, another form come, because this length height is up to what? Up to here. So you have to take these things. This part is whole. There is nothing here. So be careful about this. Number B, the height of the cylinder is 13 centimeter, correct to the nearest centimeter. So the upper bound of height, upper bound of cylinder height equals to 13 centimeter plus, as it is nearest 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter you have to divide it by 2. So 0.5, you have to add here 0.5 for upper bound. So it is 13.5 centimeter. And upper bound of radius equals to 4.5 centimeter plus, as it is nearest 0.1 centimeter. So 0.1 divided by 2, which comes 0.05. You have to add 0.05 centimeter to get upper bound of the radius. So 4, it will be 4.55 centimeter. Now upper bound of volume, volume equals to pi r square h. So pi r is here 4.55 square, 13 point height is 13.5 centimeter. One thing you have to remember, in the multiplication time, if you want upper bound, so all these things upper bound you have to take. In the multiplication time, here is multiplication. If you want lower bound, all this part, that means radius, lower bound you will take, height, lower bound you will take. So keep in mind. So it will be 878.02 centimeter cube. So you have to write here 878.02 centimeter cube. I think everybody understands this maths. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you all. If you have any confusion, you can contact with me. My WhatsApp number is +880140398212. My email address is muhammad.ali.shumon@gmail.com. How far you live does not matter. How you learn maths matter. Thank you everybody for watching.